Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Wretched Ranch. Please like and subscribe.
To commercial buyers, vans are essentially money-making cargo haulers used by all kinds of businesses to carry all kinds of cargo. The operation of a cargo van is a basic cost of doing business to move goods and services. Commercial van buyers have four major concerns: utility, with door sizes and cargo area dimensions to handle loading and unloading easily; power to do the job; operating efficiency; and built-in value features. When Chevrolet vans are compared to Ford Econoline and Dodge Ram vans, a host of Chevy value advantages stand out, making it obvious why Chevy is the power in trucks when it comes to money-making cargo haulers. To handle big cargo, a van needs large door openings. Let's see what happens when this forklift driver attempts to put this box into a Dodge Ram van. It can't fit. Okay, now the same size box, but this time the other driver tries to get it into a Ford Econoline van. And again, it can't fit. Okay, now the Chevy. Of course it fits, because Chevy vans have a larger effective rear door opening than either Ford or Dodge. And the side door opening in a Chevy van is larger than Ford and Dodge, too. In a Chevy van, the cargo length at the floor from the back of the driver's seat to the rear door is longer, about 3.5 inches longer than Ford. Comparing a 125-inch wheelbase Chevy to a 138-inch wheelbase Ford. More room with a shorter wheelbase. And since vans have to get into and out of tight places as a matter of routine, good maneuverability is an important part of basic utility. Watch this one-ton Chevy G30 van make this tight turn. Now, a one-ton Ford E350 tries it. Ford can't make it, because this Econoline has a wall-to-wall turning diameter larger than the Chevy. Chevy has a turning diameter advantage versus Ford in half-ton and three-quarter-ton vans, too. When it comes to power to do the job, the available 5-liter V8 with electronic spark control in the Chevy van is rated at 160 net horsepower, Ford's 5-liter V8 at 130, and Dodge's 5.2-liter V8 at 140. Now, let's see how that horsepower advantage in the Chevy van translates into better acceleration performance. These V8 vans are all equipped with automatic transmissions. 2,000 pounds of cargo, 1 full ton, is in each. First, Chevy takes on Ford. The Chevy van with the ESC V8 has more power to get a loaded van moving and more reserve power to keep that load moving. Next, Chevy takes on Dodge. For most van owners, this kind of V8 power is needed to do the job. And Chevy doesn't sacrifice fuel economy for this extra power either. More power than Dodge. These are the EPA fuel economy estimates for comparable Chevy G20, Ford Econoline E150, and Dodge Ram B250 vans, equipped with optional V8 engines and automatic transmissions. Chevy is unbeaten in 8-cylinder fuel economy, even though it has a much more powerful engine. The Chevy with ESC V8 offers power and fuel economy with no compromise in either. Comparing built-in value features, there's a big difference in the way the front suspension of a Chevy and a Ford are put together. Besides the difference in appearance, Chevy's tough, massive girder beam independent front suspension is completely adjustable for camber, caster, and toe-in, Ford's front end is partially adjustable. The only recommended adjustment is for toe-in. For caster and camber adjustment, Ford recommends replacement of parts, which can be more expensive. Yes, when it comes to cargo vans, for utility, power, operating efficiency, and built-in value features, Chevy vans are a real value for the dollar and an efficient way to move the commercial buyer's goods. Chevy vans, another reason why Chevy is the power in trucks.